Hi, my name is Juan Llanos. Tonight I will be doing my video presentation. Is my video presentation my new project speaking? English Does Word Level 5. My instructor is Maria Margarita Rivero Iriarte. My new project. If I finish the virtual English classes and I study other courses in technical areas, I'm going to get the opportunity to improve my chance of getting a better job. I get better grades and learning outcomes if I concentrate in the classes and the teacher instructions. I'm going to have a motorbike in a short time if I don't speed my money on things that I don't need. If I learn to drive, I will be able to help my parents with transportation when they need it. Some friends and I have planned to open our own establishment in the future. If each of us is responsible and we get support, we will open our establishment when we have enough money to make it reality. If I train at the gym, I feel so energetic. Unfortunately, I have not been able to exercise due to lack of time. If I want to have a better psychical condition, I should organize my time to exercise more often. I have always loved to travel, especially with my parents. I would be fulfilling my dream if I traveled around the world. If I take that trip, I'm going to learn about different cultures and taste their delicious food. My mother would be happy if she had her own house. Therefore, one of my dreams is to give her one. If I want to fulfill my dreams, I should work hard and save a lot of money. Thank you.